Telcoin, how are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. In this time, we are talking about the Telcoin, my friends. Telcoin. What's going on this time in the Telcoin? What's the price in the Telcoin? And a lot of people ask me questions about Telcoin that when will there's a chance to the price of Telcoin is increased. So in this video, I will show you, friends. And now this time the price of Telcoin in the market is 0.032258 USD dollar. And that is the currently price in USD dollar of Telcoin. And other side, if we talk about the pricing, so absolutely Telcoin is going very fastly, and Tel is absolutely going to the moon, my friends. Now the last 1 hour, last 1 day pricing is positive. Only the last 1 hour pricing is negative. But I hope with the passage of time, the last 1 hour pricing will become positive, and they will give you good amount of profit. But you have to only hold. If you hold, you will get profit, and if you say nothing, you will get. Remember that. Let's see the price chart. What's going on this time in the Telcoin? Wow, you can see here. And the start of June, the Telcoin start moving upward, and I hope that they will continue this thing for a long time. That is why I recommend for everyone. And now, if you look at this time price of the Telcoin, so this time price is very low, 0.03234 USD dollar. So now this time the current price is very low, so I suggest for everyone to please buy more and more. And now I know, my friends, that is the next trending coin in the market. So buy now, absolutely you will get profit in the future. Remember that I am not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research, my friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. How do you feel today about Telcoin? Tell me in the comment box.